Hey guys, what's going on? As you can see, I got the front end kind of back together on my 335. Had it down from the stands to test it the 19Ts. Seems to be working pretty good, so I'm gonna be moving on to the next couple mods I have. I just pulled off the stock exhaust. I'm gonna be installing these 2¼ inch vibrant resonators and that 45 pipe in place of the secondary cats. Already has the PE mod done to the mufflers, where it's been opened up and had the pipes welded into it. I guess some packing probably removed. While it's apart, I'm gonna be taking the drive shaft out of it and stuff to install this CoolerWorx Pro short shifter I got for it. It was not cheap. It's one of the best ones you can buy for this. Should be able to go through gears pretty quick with that. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be installing these upgraded trans mounts. Hey guys, so it's been about a week since I was trying to install the CoolerWorx shifter. I didn't realize I needed the direct fit kit for it, so I had to wait for that to show up. So I can finally put that on and get the drive shaft and the exhaust back on. Secondary cats cut out of the exhaust. Got it sitting here, I just put some clear coat on it. There's the new vibrant resonators welded in place. Just kind of did a quick sand job on it and put the clear on. Should be nice enough to keep on the car for a few years until I get a nicer exhaust. Once I get the shifter and all that in, I can finally work on the suspension, get the new coils in, and get this thing off the stands. Now that I have that in place, I'm gonna go underneath the car and I'm just gonna use this roll of paper towel to hold the bracket up. I'm just gonna put it on the jack and I'll kind of push it up into place. I decided to put some O-rings just behind these clips to keep them from rattling. So now I'm just removing this, I don't even know what this ashtray in the front. Just comes out with the screws here. All right, I got the exhaust all bolted on. I didn't film putting it on because I needed some help putting it up there, so I had to wait, but anyways, it's all on. There's all the exhaust. There's the new resonators in place of the secondaries. There's the new UUC trans mounts. The new shifter up in there. All right, the exhaust and everything's in. CoolerWorx shifter's all done. Not too sure what I'm doing up here yet, but I'm gonna finish that later when I figure that out. The shifter feels so good. Anyways, I'm just gonna set the camera up outside so you can hear how this exhaust sounds.